It's actually good. Oh, it's horrible.
Hi, Up to Our Knees family! Welcome back to our channel where we are counting down to Easter by tasting all kinds of flavors of jelly beans so that you don't have to. But before we get started,
make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.
Today we are trying, what is it, bud?
The Taco Truck jelly beans.
Taco Truck jelly beans, which I foolishly bought 2 bags. I don't know why, because here's the flavors. Margarita, adults only, just kidding. Churro, salsa, guacamole, beef taco, I'm nervous about that one, and horchata. I don't know what that is. I've heard it's a drink. I'm scared and I bought 2 bags. Why? Why did I buy 2 bags?
I have written all of the flavors down on a wheel. So we're gonna spin the wheel and whichever flavor it lands on, we're gonna eat. Okay, I'm gonna do the first one.
What is it? What is it?
Beef taco.
Oh.
It actually looks kind of good. Well, beef taco, those are good.
Beef taco. So it's
It's not what's on the outside, it's what's on the inside, you know?
yeah.
I'm scared. I'm actually kind of excited.
I'm so scared.
Just pour it all out. Should we
smell
get a
'em.
bowl?
I don't want to. I don't want to.
It smells like a taco truck.
Just like jelly beans.
The brown one. I'm scared.
All right, beef taco.
You're the taste tester.
Okay.
No, I am. Is it good? Oh, that's
No, it's very much not good.
Let's try my turn.
All right, Olivia.
It's actually good. Oh. Ew. Kind of scared.
Okay, Connor. Can you handle the beef taco jelly bean?
Kind of got like a tang. It tastes like actual beef taco. It's not bad, actually.
Do not listen to him.
No, it's good.
Don't listen to him. Do not get this.
You might not like it, but you might. I don't know.
Here we go. Now I will say I am someone who likes the buttered popcorn jelly belly jelly beans, but this is beef flavored jelly beans. Here we go.
How am I the only one that likes it? It's just got a little tangy
It's
to
not
it.
good.
It's just Spit it out. It's just got a tangy to it. That's all.
Oh,
Why did you swallow
I
it?
don't know.
Why did you buy 2 if you're gonna
Spit it out.
It's gone. Oh, that's not good.
Ew.
So bad. I need a drink. Whew. Well, we got that one out of the way. Thank goodness. Ugh.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, it's time for the next one. Guacamole.
Guacamole.
Okay.
All right, guacamole. Here we go. It's not that bad.
I might not like it because I'm the only
Tastes
one.
kind of like salad.
Salad with sugar. Yeah.
Salad with sugar.
I don't know if I can do this. Is it a dragon's eye? Nah. Whatever, I'm gonna eat it. It's not very good, but it's not spitting out worse. It's not very good though. It's fine.
What's
I'm scared.
Just put it in 3, 2.
It's not bad. It tastes like a jelly bean. You're probably not gonna like it.
Nuts. I'm eating half of it this time. Maybe a fourth of it. It's not bad. It tastes weird. Like sugary. Yeah, but it's not that good.
2 down, 4 to go. What's next?
And the wheel says horchata.
Horchata.
We're gonna eat these all together. Horchata. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, it's cinnamon. Oh my gosh. This is so good.
That is good.
I might make the whole taco set clean.
You guys should
Nothing.
have it.
Nothing.
I like them all.
You guys should have this.
That was a good one.
I might
Have
win.
this one.
I might have to try that drink.
I want to eat all
Don't
those.
drink.
What did you think, Elizabeth?
Very weird.
It's cinnamon, you know.
You didn't like it? Or like good
No.
weird or bad weird?
Bad weird.
Bad weird. Wow.
You don't like cinnamon? Oh my
So far,
Sorry.
I say you shouldn't buy this.
Some people are hard to please, and we've got
You
2
should
bags.
definitely buy this.
Spin the spinner.
Spin the spinner.
Spinner says Margarita.
Margarita.
I'm scared.
Margarita. Let's see.
I'm scared. I'll have a tiny piece of it this time. It tastes like apple juice.
Huh?
It tastes like juice.
I guess I might like it actually.
It tastes
You don't
really
like apple juice.
Okay. This one's good.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like some sort of fruit, like an apple or something.
Okay, Connor. Margarita.
It's got a tangy at the beginning, but it gets sweeter at the end. Just to let you know. Oh, it's pretty good.
All right. Well, I like margaritas, so here we go. It is good. Tastes kind of like a margarita. Next.
Churro and salsa left, and the wheel says salsa.
Salsa.
And then we have
Jelly
one more.
bean. Salsa jelly bean. Here we go.
Yep.
It's not good. It's horrible. It tastes like the opposite of something else in the world. Oh wait. It's actually kind of good, but it's like really, really, really tangy. And the salsa really, really doesn't like you. So be careful when you try that one.
It looks like a dinosaur egg.
It will not like you. It will not. Just eat it.
Ready? 3,
I was scared.
2, 1.
You're gonna spit it out, I know.
It wasn't any good?
Definitely no.
I'm afraid now. I'm gonna take the teasiest
Salsa.
little
Pop it in there.
No, you have to eat it
Just
off.
pop it in.
You have
Full
to
effect.
2, 1.
you have to eat it whole.
Pop it in. Or at least get a big half of it so you can taste it.
Yeah, you don't taste it as much.
It's weird because it's good and then it's kind of good.
So you got a 3 messy plate right there. 3 messy. I got a 0 messy plate.
Did you even try them?
Yeah. You see there's bites taken out of it. All that thing. Oh, those white thingies. Bites. Big ones. I ate it and they were disgusting.
Well, after those reactions, I'm really not looking forward to this. But here we go. Oh gosh.
And I got the clean napkin.
Oh,
I basically won the challenge already.
that's like an onion jelly bean. That's what that is. An onion jelly bean. Oh, that's not good. All right, well, that was gross. I don't think I can ever eat one of those ever again. No. But thankfully, we have one more left. Hopefully, it's good. Churro. I know that a churro
Tastes
is...
disgusting.
You never had one. It's like a pastry. So that's already in the dessert family. So hopefully, this is good. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Kind of good. And I finished out clean.
It does sort of have a pastry type flavor.
It tastes kind of good.
Let me guess. Elizabeth doesn't like it.
She doesn't like any of them.
So did you like any of them?
Not really.
No. How many did you like, Olivia?
3.
I like 6, all of them.
You liked all of them? Yeah, I think I
Well,
liked...
except for the salsa. The salsa's like in the middle. It wasn't spit out worthy, but it was okay.
Yeah, I think I liked 4 of them. 4.
I like-
No beef taco, jelly beans. Definitely no salsa jelly beans.
But you shouldn't buy it all together.
Yeah, unless you want to just have some fun tasting gross jelly beans.
So these taco ones, I want to try one. Margarita. No, it's not so bad. Tastes like a car wash. Like I have the windows down and I'm going through the car wash. That's very soapy. Let's have the beef taco first, and then we'll have the salsa and the guacamole. I don't know what horchata is, but we'll have that last. Actually, the margarita wasn't that bad. It really wasn't. All right, the beef taco. Oh, it's like, you know what it's like? Oh my gosh. It's the spice packet from ramen. Just the spice packet dumped in your mouth. That's what it tastes like, the beef spice packet from. Oh man. Quick, have the salsa. Oh. Oh, that's not good. That's no Courtney, that's not good. Oh, that was so bad. Oh, it was not better. Oh, my eyes are watering. I don't want any more. I'm done. I have been press ganged into doing the rest of them. I only made it halfway, they said. I don't want to go all the way with these. It's wrong. You kids are evil. There's guacamole. Actually, that one's not bad. It's like regular jelly bean with grass mixed in. That's kind of what it tastes like, a little bit. What do we got? Horchata, and I don't even know what that is, and a churro, and I'm a little worried about the churro, but we're gonna hope that cinnamon prevails over horchata. So we're gonna start with the horchata. Oh, actually, that's not bad.
It's cinnamon.
You know what that tastes like? It tastes like the glaze on like a cinnamon roll. That one's pretty good. Horchata, well done. That leaves churro, but you know what? I'm gonna get another horchata out just in case. Okay, there's one. Found one. This is 1 out of 5 so far. All right, so here's the churro. It was not so bad. It's like cinnamon with cardboard. It's kind of the flavor, cinnamon with cardboard. Thank you, children, for letting me have this. You're the best.
Well, thanks for tuning in as we taste tested some Taco Truck jelly beans. Make sure you check out our other jelly bean reviews to see if they are worth it or not.
Like confetti.
Not sure this one is. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.